Voice detection is fast, but I did not want another subscription or my everyday speech sent to a cloud service. So I built Parrot, a private, local-first macOS dictation app for Korean, English, and mixed language speech. 이 앱은 한국어 음성을 파악하고 자연스러운 문장으로 만든 뒤 현재 앱에 입력합니다. That sentence was recorded, transcribed, cleaned, and pasted entirely on this Mac. Alright, let's try another sentence. This time I'm gonna say English and Korean at the same time. Same way, we're gonna click the right command key here and start talking. For this Build Week demo, Parrot uses WhisperKit 그리고 local model to process 한국말 and English dictation locally on this Mac. Let's see. Very nice. Parrot lives in the menu bar and keep working when its setting window is closed. It preserved the previous clipboard after paste, blocks cancelled or stale sessions from inserting text, and discards temporary audio after processing. Diagnostic contain status and latency, but not transcript content. This configuration page controls the dictation shortcut and language and output. A WhisperKit large version 3 turbo is used for transcribes speech locally, while the local model Cohen 3 4 billion. This cleans Korean and English text through MLX Swift LM. It provides good balance of multilingual quality, speed, and memory use on Apple Silicon. And once the model are installed, Parrot runs completely offline. So I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi to demonstrate that Parrot is working offline completely okay. So now I'm gonna try. I just turned off the Wi-Fi. Let's see this Parrot still working accurately.